guys, it's me, Jasmine Beauty, and welcome back to Jasmine Beauty Budgets, where we cash stuff and talk about all things budgeting. So if this is content that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button. And for today's video, we will be doing a small budgeting haul that I did with Lily Budgets Etsy shop. I have the link to her channel down below in the description box. I say this almost every video of mine. I'm obsessed with her videos. Her voice is just so soothing and her videos are just amazing. So you guys have seen this budget book sporadically throughout my videos, mostly my weekly budget breakdown pages, but I do want to show you everything that her budget book comes with. So this is the home page, and then there's tabs up here and then tabs on the side here. So I'm just gonna go over the tabs up top. So if we hit the calendar, this is my calendar, however way you want to. I just have mine just pretty simple, October 2022, and I write in the dates, and then I put in when everything needs to get paid on here. And then this page is the weekly minimums. I put bi-weekly minimums for mine because I get paid bi-weekly, and a lot of my bi-weekly minimums are for mainly water, sewer, trash, and diapers, wipes, and dog food. And then at the end, I'll add everything up and see how much I've saved for that month. And then we have budget breakdown for week 1, which you guys saw, budget breakdown for week 2, which again, you guys just saw. I just posted that video up not that long ago, maybe it depends on when I upload this video, so either a couple days or a week ago from this, but I'll definitely have it linked either up in the cards or down below in the description box. And then we have week 3, week 4, and week 5 of the budget breakdown sheets. And then this is a sinking funds update page. So here are all of my sinking funds and where we started off for the month of October. I also put in my long-term savings in this section just so I can keep track of how much we put in there for the month. But we currently have $891 saved in our sinking funds and long-term savings binders, which is awesome. And then on the side tabs here we have, okay, so the side tabs, if the BB puts us straight towards our budget breakdown sheets. And then the notes, for the notes, I have my debt payoff on here. You can do whatever it is you feel as though you want to do with this section. This is what I'm doing with my notes page, since there isn't like a debt section in this budget binder book. So yeah, and I will link this video down below in the description box if you haven't seen it already. This is an expense tracker. I don't really use this too much. I just feel like tracking expenses, it's way too tedious and too much work for me. And then we have our bills tracker, which is right here. I probably should update all this since most of these bills have been paid already, but yeah, this is the bill tracker. We have $6,744.51 worth of bills that we pay each month. And then for savings, this is our savings tracker, and I'm just putting my long-term savings on here, including my extra debt payments. And yeah, I haven't been really, well, actually, since it's week 1, I just did week 1. Well, week 1 was September paycheck 3, so I added 50 to this, and I think I did 10, 25, 27. And then week 2, I added nothing to these. So 50, 75, so 122 was added to this. If this math is wrong, please leave a comment down below and let me know. I kind of did this in my head and I'm not very math savvy. So this is actually everything for the budget binder. Or the budget book. I'm actually really enjoying this, and I know that she is actually doing a printed version of this. So again, definitely check her page out and look at all the amazing stuff that she has to offer on her Etsy shop. And with that being said, let's move on to the second portion of the haul. I did order some new envelopes. Sorry guys if it's noisy. I think it's street cleaning right now, so you're hearing that. So this is what we're opening up here. Super excited about it. I've actually had this for a couple weeks now, but I wanted to film this for you. So it has been sitting in the packaging. So here are her envelopes. Here we go. And it comes with this cute little personalized card. She wrote, "Jasmine, thank you for your order." And then with a 10% off thank you little coupon code. So thank you so much for this. And I had purchased 3 envelopes from her. I got a Navy Federal envelope for when I make payments on my Navy Federal credit card, or extra payments towards my Navy Federal credit card. I have an extra debt envelope, and I got a car envelope. So let's just do that. Let's actually add these envelopes into my binders. So the first one we'll do is my car envelope. So let's take this one out and put this one in. It's so cute. I just love the lettering and like the cute little flower that's in there. So let's see how much we're putting into this new envelope. It has a cute little zipper. I feel like since this is gonna have such a bulk amount of money in it, I feel more safe if it is in a more secure envelope rather than one that's open like this. My son, he likes to grab things that he is not allowed to be grabbing, and I don't want, you know, such a big lump sum of money falling out of, you know, the envelopes just in case that they do. I try to keep it out of his hands, but you know, toddlers, they get to what they want to get to. So car has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. So $872 is going into my new car envelope. How exciting. And then this would be technically for Navy Federal, but I am using it for extra Lowe's payment. So what am I doing? Should I keep this one blank and then just add this one in the back of it, or should I just add the money into the Navy Federal, but in my head know that it's not going to Navy Federal, it's going to the Lowe's credit card? Decisions. Guys, leave a comment down below and let me know what I should do. For right now, I think I'm just going to add this to the back until I decide 100% what it is that I want to do. And this is everything for my high priorities binder. This baby is getting kind of thick. I probably am going to do an unstuffing because I know water, sewer, trash is going to be getting paid soon. So yeah, I'll probably film an unstuffing video after this one. But let's just move on to our long-term savings binder. And this is where I keep my extra debt. But, you know, this envelope isn't as pretty as this one. So let's just switch these out. And I'm going to keep this tracker, but I'm just going to keep it in the back like so. But I did get my trackers from Jordan Budgets. I have her channel also linked down below in the description box if you guys are interested in any of her stuff. And Extra Debt has $25, $26, $27 in it. I love when I get new envelopes. I just think it's so much fun, and it just makes budgeting so much fun. And her shop is very budget friendly and affordable, so I definitely do recommend checking her out. Again, it's all linked down below in the description box, everything that I use, and especially her link to her channel. So guys, this is everything for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!